Hi guys, today we will see how to work on matte autocomplete. We'll go with the NG model way of accessing as well as reactive way of accessing the same. So I will create a new project. Yeah, I like to go with routing, CSS. We'll move into that folder and open with the code editor, VS Code. And the version of the Angular that I work right now is Angular 14. So I will install Angular Material 14.2.7. Meanwhile, while it gets installed, we'll do some configuration changes. So I have some issue with the lib check, so I am disabling it. But this you don't need to do from your side if you are seeing this. Then I want it to run. It will serve from port 5500. So I'm going for options. Then inside these options, use this, copy and paste this. 5500. Then I will add some default data into the assets folder. So yes, fruits.json. We'll try to get value from here. The other one is going to be vehicles.json. So I'm going to select indigo pink, and I am not understanding typography. So the data is going to be ID with 1. The name is going to be some fruit name. So it is going to be like orange. the data for fruits, and we'll make it as car, truck, train, jeep, tanks. So we have vehicles data, and right now what I will do is I will generate what I can tell is in a feature module. So the, the command is going to be ng generate module, and mat or complete mat, and route is going to be autocomplete app, sorry, module app. This will declare it in app module. The feature module is generated, and it would have updated this path also. So right now I'll create two service, I mean one service inside this. Okay, and add HTTP client module here. So we'll use this. Use this. Did the same here. Okay. Then I will try to access this assets data. HTTP dot get array slash data slash this one. Vehicles. JCS number of many. Now I will open Chrome, so you can go to Angular material. Change the version to 14. Then go to components. First one is autocomplete. Mat autocomplete. Then we need to add two more mat input module because we use input module in input field and form field also. Manually declare it. Input module. Then we need to add a forms module. We want to use ng model. Then reactive forms module for using form control, etc. Form group. Then what I can do is then I'll go to here, copy this. This is the bare minimum. And put here. First of all, we will work we'll see how to work with the G model. Going to take a mat. The appearance is going to be outline. Then we will declare an input tag. Make it as mat input. Then we'll go for ng model. For ng model, we'll go with fruit. Then go for a placeholder. And in on changes, you can see get it via input. Go for $event. mat autocomplete. Go for auto one. So we'll change this here also. I think this is more than sufficient. So this is going to be the fruits. This is going to be option dot name. We'll change it to fruit dot name because we are using object. Change it to fruit. I think this is more than sufficient in the HTML side. Then we'll go to component side, inject that service. Check. To subscribe. That we'll log it and check first of all the value comes or not. Then we can solve dot. We'll serve it. So we'll remove these things. And for lazy loading the feature module, we'll do complete. So here the routing module we have declared the path as autocomplete. So we'll come here, press it over here. I think this should load it. And service we have updated. Then on the component, it's okay. We'll declare some variables. Fruit string. To new subject. Then we have already declared selected fruit and filtered fruits. So selected fruit is going to be a string. Then Filtered fruit is going to be an array. Type is going to be any array. So we'll try to push this into the mat form field appears in imports but is not it is already imported. It should be module. Selected an element expression should take an argument. complete. I think some problem with the names. This is 4500 network. You can see it's nicely loaded. Then you can see everything comes. Now we will filter this. Filter value. Is equal to, so this I think I'll get value directly because it is NG model. To it creates an observable. Okay, we need to access that value actually. So create array. And assign defaults there. Then because we need to have an original copy, from there only we will be able to check whether the information is there or not. I mean, the searching information is there or not. Return. So whenever there is a change in the value, this is going to happen. It goes and checks whether the based on the type, the value, anything starts with, or whether, here I have given the conditions like includes only. But I'll create this as a separate method for now actually, because here I need this to I have created an observable and a subject. So every time when there is a change in value, I'll send it actually. Then we can go for filtering it. It should be event only. So then we'll get it as event dot target dot value. Then you can use this event value, pass it to here. So once this is done, oh, why is it creating problem? Then now we'll go with the filter. So I'll use this. This one is of type of string. It's going to be value. And this one to be lowercase. Then we will check in the fruits array whether the values are there or not. The type is going to be string array. Then based on value changes, we can go for debouncing and because we don't want every time to get when we don't want every time when the value change it should search actually. So go for debounce time, going to be 3 millisecond, 300 millisecond. Then instant until change, because whenever there is a change then only this will happen. Then switch map, the last change will be taken. Then the last value I will send it to filter. Then we will subscribe. Filtered. This dot filtered. Filtered. change. It should be a string only because I'm passing a string, not an array. So this fruit stream based on the character center, it goes for a demons time, then checks whether when there is a change in input or and then uh, if you go for switch mem, the last change what has happened will only be considered, and that will be gone taken to the towards the filter, and filter what it does is it checks whether the that value, particular value is available in the fruits array, and if it is there, then it sends back an array of string, and that is assigned to the filtered fruits. So we'll check whether it works actually. But initially it should get loaded. To check why it is not getting loaded initially. Okay, I will assign it directly. We will see. Can you see? Then you can go for lemon. Then you can go for yes. So this is how we work with autocomplete using ng model, and the same we can try to accomplish using reactive forms. So I just copied and reused those things, and for here I will create a form. Just give only a form. Then instead of this I will give form control name. So okay, this is for vehicle. We can keep this same, and this should be changed to 2. This should get linked with this one, and this is going to be filtered vehicles. Just replace them. Everything is same except that form control name and this one. And we'll create this right now. So the same thing you can again create actually. String. Selected vehicle is equal to empty. Sorry. Filtered vehicle. I think it's just array is equal to then the main array. So we'll reuse this code, change it to vehicles. Rest of the things are going to be same. This is going to be vehicle and this is filtered vehicles. Then we need to declare a form. Form group. Then initializer. Then on the ng on init, we will chapter group. Need to add this builder there. This is the build dot group. Here I will just add vehicle, the name. Then we can give it as just empty array. And it's a string in. It's not we are initializing it to string, and we can even provide validators also. Then I will change input reactive. Rest of the logic, I think it's going to be same only. I'm just trying to, because the object is same, so it should be same also, except the variables. So we can see the fruit stream, it should be a vehicle one. Then this filter, and just change it to underscore filter. This is going to be with vehicles. And need to work on this. So whenever there is a change in input value, then this should trigger. To add vehicles. I think this should be more than sufficient. See, somewhere it is getting mixed up. Vehicles, not filter, has nothing to do with. It should be as it is done. It's a filter, so it should be underscore filter. Now we can see. So now we are able to access access data. Either it can be from ng model, either it is of type ng model or from reactive side. So that's it I plan to show to you guys. Thank you.